Hey friends, welcome to Tech New Channel. If you want to buy Lenovo Yoga 9i14 Gen 9, then is this laptop useful for you or not? If you want to know this, then this video is for you. In this video, I will tell you about the features and disadvantages of Lenovo Yoga 9i14 Gen 9 laptop, which you should know before buying it. So let's start. The Lenovo Yoga 9i14 Gen 9 is a premium 2-in-1 laptop known for its slim, lightweight design, stunning 2.8K OLED display, and great sound. This laptop is priced at $1,450 and is equipped with an Intel Core Ultra 7 processor, 16 GB of RAM, 1 TB SSD, and Intel Arc graphics. The quality of its audio-video output makes it a great device for entertainment, with its rotating soundbar hinge being a highlight. Key features: it has an OLED display. Its 14-inch 2.8K OLED display is extremely sharp and colorful, making videos and photos look vibrant. Its 120 Hz refresh rate provides a smooth visual experience, making it suitable for any kind of creative work, such as photo or video editing. The laptop also includes a slim pen and laptop sleeve, which provide additional utility. It is a good choice for users who use the laptop for design or artwork. Audio quality. Equipped with a rotating soundbar, its sound output is far better than most laptops, making it easier to enjoy music and videos. Design and portability. This laptop is extremely lightweight at 2.9 pounds, 1.3 kilograms, making it easy to use while traveling or in tablet mode. The cosmic blue and Luna gray color options make it even more attractive. Lenovo Yoga 9i14, January 9. Disadvantages: it is expensive. This laptop comes with its premium features, but you will have to pay a higher price for it. Lenovo Yoga 9i14, January 9 has a battery life of less than 9 hours. Its battery performance is relatively low, especially if you are using a high-res display. Touchpad. Mechanical touchpad has been used, which makes the lack of a haptic touchpad felt at this price. The best part is that the audio of the laptop is so clear and rich that it is far ahead of most laptops. Especially in tent mode, its sound output becomes more impressive. It is ideal for those who want a powerful device for entertainment. Overall, the Lenovo Yoga 9i14 Gen 9 offers a premium experience with great display and sound. But considering its high price and battery life limitations, it is best for users who are looking for the best audio-video experience and who use the laptop for video editing, image editing, design, or artwork. I hope you liked this video. To see such helpful videos, please subscribe to the channel and like, comment, and share the video with your friends.